If one room in your house feels like summer, while the other feels like it opens in Antarctica, then your system isn't broken. It's just unbalanced. Here are 5 ways to solve this. 1. Unblock and balance airflow. Air can't heat or cool a room if it can't reach it. Closed registers, furniture over vents, and dirty filters restrict airflow. This forces your system to overwork and prioritize certain rooms. Start by opening all the vents fully. Check that rugs or furniture aren't blocking airflow. Lastly, replace your air filter if it's dirty. 2. Understand duct design. Not all ducts are created equally. Longer duct runs, sharp turns, or undersized ducts reduce air delivery to rooms away from the HVAC system. While you can't really redesign a duct, you can start by noticing patterns and calling a professional to get it fixed. 3. Seal leaky ducts. Imagine you're going to a potluck and you've prepared a delicious beef stew. You cooked it for hours and transferred it to a container. On your way, the container leaks, and by the time you reach your friend's house, there's no stew in beef stew. That's pretty much what happens when you have leaky ducts. All the cool or warm air your HVAC system works so hard for escapes into attics, walls, or basements. 4. Better insulation. Insulation controls how long a room stays comfortable. Poor attic insulation, unsealed walls, or drafty windows allow heat to escape in winter and enter in summer. In this case, the HVAC system continues to run, but the room never stabilizes. 5. Choose the correct system. Choosing the correct size of HVAC system is extremely important to ensure even temperature around the house. A larger system will heat or cool your house quickly and shut off early, leaving the temperature unbalanced. Whereas a smaller system will run constantly and still miss some rooms. Before buying an HVAC system, consult a professional and get the correct size installed. Does the temperature vary from room to room in your home? Comment below.